guys, it's Ting here. I hope that you're well. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys what's in the October Lengbox and how to use the products. The October Lengbox is the Halloween Lengbox, which is why you'll find some really strange, quirky, but very fun products to use. And there's more. So in your October Lengbox, you'll find a free gift. So I've collaborated with HarperCollins and Electric Monkey Books to bring you guys a copy of Shine. Shine is a novel from international K-pop star Jessica Jung, a K-pop legend and former lead singer of Girls' Generation. It's the full box. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is the SNP Animal Tiger Wrinkle Mask. The reason I chose this one is because it's super fun to use and I thought that it tied really well with the whole Halloween theme. So what you see here is exactly what you'll get. So it's not just fun to use, but it's also really nourishing for your skin. It's formulated with coconut water, evening primrose oil and green tea. All you need to do is apply it to a clean and dry face and leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes, take it off and rub the essence in. I also found that you get quite a lot of leftover essence in the pack, so what I tend to do is apply the rest all over my neck, my hands, my arms and my legs. Next up, the Mediheal Sheep Hair Steam Pack. So this hair pack is a super nourishing hair pack which is good for dry hair, damaged hair or hair that's been overly bleached. So all you need to do is wash your hair and dry it with a towel. You don't need to use a hairdryer because it needs to be a little bit damp, and then leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the way that I use it is I tip my hair upside down and put all the hair inside and then just massage it in. After 10 or 15 minutes, just wash it off, dry your hair as you normally would, and you're done. A Halloween Kbeauty box would not be complete without some Snail. This Snail sheet mask is really good for smoothing, firming and hydrating your skin. To use this pack, all you need to do is apply it to a clean and dry face, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rub it in. I'm super excited to show you guys the next product because it's one that I personally love and it's also one that is raved about in the Kbeauty community. The nourished wine peeling pads. So these pads are fantastic for exfoliating your skin. I normally use it about once a week. After double cleansing my skin, I'll take one pad and it's a disposable pad. But all you need to do is take one pad and exfoliate your skin using the rough side. And then once you finish with that side, you flip it over and then use the smoother side. After you've done that, all you need to do is wash it off and carry on with your normal routine. This is a super effective pad to remove dead skin cells, impurities and dirt that's trapped in your skin. The reason that I love this is because it leaves your skin feeling really smooth afterwards and also brighter. So in this pack you'll find 8 disposable pads. The larger size normally contains 30 pads I think, but this will be a really good way to try it if you haven't already tried it. And next up we have the Mugwort Cleansing Foam from Skin Food. This cleanser can be used twice a day, day and night. It's great for cleansing and purifying your skin. It contains green tea and also mugwort extract to leave your skin feeling really nice and fresh and clean. So next up we have a makeup product which I'm loving at the moment, and that is the Enough Waterproof Collagen Mascara. The reason that I love this product is because I'm not exactly blessed with like the fullest, thickest eyelashes, which makes mascara a staple product in my makeup routine. So I tend to curl my lashes, and what I hate the most is when you wear mascara and you've curled your eyelashes and then it just makes it go flat again. I'm just not about that life. So the reason that I love this one is because it keeps my curled lashes up all day. And here it is, you'll find 7 products in your October Lengbox. There's limited quantity available and as always it's first come first served. So find the website link in the bio, so check it out. So feel free to tag me in any tiger face mask posts or videos because I love to reshare them. And that's it, so thank you all so much for watching, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye!